to a week's worth in a vlog. It's a busy one. I am flying out for work on Monday here, so I have a very busy weekend. My brother's birthday, having a dinner with them tonight. I have a couple friends I'm meeting up with, possibly a photo shoot I gotta do, some brand videos, and then my boyfriend will visit this weekend and we'll do a hike and a few other things. So off to the dentist this morning. And then, yeah, we'll see what else. What's up? Welcome to a week's worth in a vlog. I'm just getting back to things. I've been away the past week, and then I'm gonna be away the next week for work, so just catching up. Gotta clean. I'm seeing a couple of friends, gonna pack. I took a shower this morning. I've been taking it slow. It is a nice day though, so I'm gonna go for a walk later. I have a workout class booked. I gotta film some brand videos and then clean a little bit. I mean, place doesn't look terrible. Like, I cleaned last week, but I'm like, still gotta clean a bit. So yeah, we will check in later this week, show you what we What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to an event with friends, this concert. Well, it's kind of like a restaurant with music, but as a DJ and music, so it should be fun. I curled my hair, or attempted to, did some simple makeup. I'll add a lip color later. And for my outfit, I've got this shirt, I believe is from Ardeen's. I don't know where these pants are from. And then I'll probably just wear some flats, so that should be fun. This morning I went on a great hike with a friend. Tomorrow I'm gonna meet another friend for a hike. Then do a workout and probably clean. And yeah, we'll show you what else we do this week. Welcome to a week's worth in a vlog. I am on my last work trip for this month, so I'm heading home today. It's a bit of a process because I have to take a ferry, a taxi, and an airplane to get there. So I just have a bit of admin work to wrap up, and then I'm going home. I'm gonna see a couple of friends. I'm going to like this concert event, a hike with another friend. We'll see what we do with my other friend, and then I have to cat sit this week. And then I am gonna see my boyfriend as well. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll plan hopefully a hike or something nice to enjoy the decent weather still. It's a really nice day here, and had really good weather except one day that is cooler. So we will show you what we do.